Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Before the world changed forever in 1939, Mercedes-Benz unveiled a machine that embodied grace, luxury, and precision. The 1939 Mercedes-Benz 320 wasn't just a car, it was a statement of class and engineering mastery. Today, we take a closer look at this pre-war masterpiece. Exterior. The Mercedes-Benz 320, internally known as the W142, was introduced in 1937 and remained in production until the outbreak of World War II in 1942. What you're looking at here is the 1939 model, one of the finest examples of pre-war German automotive design. The 320's long, elegant bodylines, its gracefully curved fenders, and the signature Mercedes three-pointed star mounted proudly on the radiator grille, these are more than just design elements. They represent an era when cars were rolling pieces of art. Chrome accents flow throughout the body. The prominent headlamps, side-mounted spare tires, and exposed running boards scream luxury. And for those who opted for the cabriolet version, this beauty was a head-turner back then, and it still is today. Interior. Step inside, and you're immediately transported to another time. The interior of the 1939 Mercedes 320 is a rich blend of fine wood trim, leather upholstery, and analog instrumentation. The dashboard is a handcrafted wooden panel with Art Deco-style gauges, showing the speedometer, fuel levels, oil pressure, and even an ammeter. The large steering wheel, finished in Bakelite, gives the driver full control over this near 2-ton machine. In the back, comfort was key. Plush seating, fold-out wooden trays, and even rear sunshades made this vehicle ideal for chauffeured transport. Whether you were the driver or the dignitary in the back seat, the 320 offered a luxurious ride. Performance. Under the hood lies a 3.2-liter inline-six engine, producing around 78 horsepower. It's paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering power to the rear wheels. Now, by today's standards, 78 horsepower may not sound like much. But in 1939, this engine offered smooth and reliable performance. The 320 could cruise comfortably at highway speeds of the time, around 100 to 120 kilometers per hour. What truly sets the 320 apart is how it drives. It glides, rather than rolls, thanks to its advanced suspension for the era, independent front suspension and a swing axle rear. It provided a much more comfortable ride than most of its contemporaries. The 1939 Mercedes-Benz 320 is more than a car, it's a time capsule. Built on the brink of a global conflict, it stands as a reminder of what automotive luxury looked like before the world changed. Whether you admire it for its craftsmanship, its design, or its historical significance, the 320 holds its place as one of the finest examples of pre-war German engineering. A symbol of a bygone era, and a true automotive treasure. If you enjoyed this look at the legendary 1939 Mercedes-Benz 320, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which classic car you'd like us to feature next. Until next time, keep driving history forward.